Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create the AI hug video trend on TikTok. So if you want to create an AI video of you hugging your partner, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you need TikTok and you'll need an app called CAPCUT. CAPCUT is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Now once that's downloaded, you want to go back to TikTok. Here you're going ahead and searching for Test the Simple Dad. Now here you go ahead and visit the profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as I'll show you where the template will appear. For now, I'll just use it from my favorites. Go ahead and use this template. You need to tap on CAPCUT AI Hugs Hurt Heart. Go ahead and tap on that. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CAPCUT. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Use Template. Go ahead and choose a picture of you and your partner. Now let CAPCUT apply the AI effect. Now once the effect has been applied, press play. And you should see that photo come alive into a video. And the two persons are basically hugging. So once you're happy with that, tap on Export at the top right, then tap Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video to TikTok. Go ahead and tap on Next. Go ahead and add your captions, edit your cover, and then go ahead and post this to TikTok. So for those of you who are trying to find this template, go ahead and tap on Search. Search for Test the Simple Dad. Here, go ahead and visit the profile page. From here, find that AI hug video. There's a caption down there. Go ahead and tap on this. And then go ahead and tap on CAPCUT AI Hugs Hurt Heart. Go ahead and tap on this and you'll be able to use that template in CAPCUT. So there you go guys. That is how to create the AI hug trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.